Explain through this video that how you can reference for one scan or survey plan images. So normally images, it doesn't have the values of georeference. It means it doesn't have longitude or latitude information, or else XY coordination, or whatever the things it doesn't have. So we want to bring the normal images to the real location. So that is we use for bringing part, we are using the georeferencing. So today I'm going to do the georeferencing by using this QGIS software. So first of all, I want to explain this environment of software window. So here I already attached the satellite map, but this is of course QGIS 3.20.2 version. So each and every versions have small different small differences. So almost all the softwares versions has all facilities which the versions has, let's say before this version has the things to do the your reference. This one also has, but something different, little bit different, that's all. So once you study, then you can learn it easily. So now I of course started to tell how to do the georeferencing. So now I will open one satellite map, and I will show the location where I can georeferencing my image. So my location is somewhere north part of Sri Lanka. So this is the place where I selected to show how you can reference for normal image to bring out to the real world. So now I will just open that image. So you can click raster, layer, and add layer, and add raster layer, and from here you can select where you saved your file. So here I saved my image in image georeference folder. So this is my image name called sample image. So now I will open and add to the window. So I already had, but of course the sample image should be top of this Google map, but now it won't be on top of this Google map, because this image doesn't have the real location readings mean values. So now if the sample image, this image get your reference, it will be display on this specific Google image area. So now I will show how you can do the georeferencing. So you can click raster, and on the raster georeferencer. So yeah, there's a window newly open on top of the main window of QGIS software. So here you want to add the file where you saved. I already saved in a desktop, and in the desktop image georeference, in the under image georeference sample image is my image. Going to do the georeferencing. So I will zoom that area now. This is the junction which I select for my first georeferencing point. So better if you can enlarge this image by using the cursor mouse rolling. So now you can add first add point, and I select this junction. And if you know these junctions that XY or some other northeast or whatever the coordinates points, if you know, then you can select the coordinate, which coordinate, and you can feed the XY or northeast or whatever if you have known. But now of course we don't know the values, so that is why I am going to select from map canvas. So from through these exactly it direct through the main window and goes to this image of map of Google map. So this is the junction where I already selected in the map, sorry, image. So this is the real location, but already I selected one location in the map, and the same place here I'm going to add. So now one point it has been given the value for your location. So I will select the second one here, somewhere here. This is the next junction. So from this image I add point here, and I will go to Google map, and this is the junction which I added in the second point. So I will add again the second point in the Google map. Now I have generated 2 points, but almost we have we should have 3 minimum points, because the third point it will show the accuracy of our georeference. So almost 2 points is enough, but that is not sufficient to make sure whether that your reference has perfected, right? So now I'm going to select the third one, somewhere East Junction. I will add the point and go through this on canvas, and this is the junction which I added in the map, in the image. And again the window of georeference minimized automatically, so I want to maximize, and again I want to click it the map canvas, and when I click it, automatically the pan cursor it get answer to this adding facility cursor. Then now I will okay, I have given 3 points, so if I give the fourth point, that would be great. So I will select this junction for my fourth point, and from the canvas I will adjust using the pan icon in the QGIS window, and this is the junction which I given the fourth your reference point in the image. So again I will click it here, and then okay, now we have given 4 points, and now we want to go to settings and make sure we want to save our georeferenced image. So now I will give the location and name to get the georeferenced image. So I will name it as georeferenced, yeah, georeferenced. That's enough. That's enough for now. And you can see this information. Of course, this is no need to worry about now, because this is large subject. If you want to get the real understand, so you can just skip and you just serve it, and okay, and after that you want to run it. So now it will be in the window. You can see now, right? Yes. So already this is the image that doesn't have the georeference, so it won't show even on top of the Google map. But now the georeference map, it shows top of that Google map. You can see. This is the way you can make the georeference for normal images. So all in all, what I have explained here, the normal image or survey plan images, it doesn't have the real geolocations. So if we want to make it that pure images to the real location, we should feed the values x, y, or longitude or latitude based on the different coordinate system. But here we don't have the coordinate points. So what I have done was just I reference the Google map because it has a real location. So I directly bring these images to the Google map by using the georeference referencing system. I didn't enter these values of x, y, or longitude or latitude based on different coordinates. That's all. Thank you.